Welcome back, Daniel Parsons, 6th of June, 2025. And I hope you're having a sizzling hot summer and able to cool off. People love to go outdoors and recreate this time of year. Boy, we sure do in Washington State. And a quick video today about the number one lifestyle program in 2025 for people living in Canada, United States, and Mexico, soon expanding into Central and South America. And so be thinking about that. As far as what is the lifestyle program, well, it's patterned after some clinics that were established by a Dr. Tony Rodriguez, who lost his father to lifestyle disease and lost his mother to some disease when he was just a young man. You know, not even 16 years old. He's facing the rest of his life without both of his parents. So both of them admonished him, son, do something with your life, make an impact in this world. And he really took them to heart. He's established clinics down in Hermosillo, Mexico, other places in Mexico. There's a 6-month waiting list to get into his main clinic. And so what he offers is he helps people detox their bodies using God-given nutraceuticals, holistic products, this is not a detox product per se. This is the V Daily, which is a powerful powdered dietary supplement, all your minerals, vitamins, enzymes, and it also has pre-probiotics. It is a powerhouse product. I really enjoy that every morning. And then this right here is a game changer. This v-nitro, nitric oxide, keeps you minimally alert all day long, no jitters because there's no caffeine in it. It helps the nutrients in your body better absorption into your cells. So that's what's going on. Your cells are like waking up. And this is the kicker about vital health. Many companies in the wellness field, their prices are a bit high, okay? And so because this company is based in Mexico, they own all their buildings, they own their laboratory, they own everything from start to finish. And they have shipping to fulfill Mexico. They have a warehouse in Arizona to fulfill United States. And now they have a quick shipping process for Canada as well. And so this product right here for affiliates, $35. Let's say somebody, and here's the thing, you only pay $29.99 one time in the year if you don't want to have anything to do with a business, but just want to be a customer of mine for any of these vital health products. They will give you the same price as me for that one-time annual fee. That's unheard of, my friends. I've been in programs that charge you fees almost as much as that every single month to be in their business. And so there's no requirements in this business unless you do want to make some income. There are some basic requirements that are not hard to meet. You've got all the training that you need with us. I've been in the industry 20 years. Above me are some younger people in the business that are very, very proactive, and they are big builders. And so I also can say this, for now, until the middle of the month, I believe it's the 6th until the 17th, there is an extra special incentive on if you come in at the platinum package in Vital Health Global and join me, they will give you a $300 product when it becomes available. It's on back order because it is so powerful that it just sells out as soon as they stock it up. And so All of the nutritional products, though, they have these, the detox products. The detox tea is only $8.50, my friend. And so when you have affordable products like that, people stay in your business. And so this is a wonderful place to put down roots and grow a massive team in Vital Health Global. So let me go on screen share and show you how you can join me. So I'm going in here. Here's the URL, join.vitalhealthglobal.com/healwithdaniel-r. The -r just simply means that's what side of my binary you're going into. The income plan has binary pay, and it also has a uni level. And so your customer volume will go into your uni level. Okay. So, and then just choose your language, and then it just verifies that I am your sponsor. So Daniel Parsons, oh, they misspelled my name there. I need to get them to fix that. Should be an I in between the N and the E. But here's the thing. Heal with Daniel is my username, okay? And so let me come off of screen share. I want to just share with you that this program has been open in Mexico since 2022. There's over 80-something thousand affiliates and customers in Mexico. The United States is taking off like a rocket ship right now. It's the fastest growing business according to Home Business website. And then the other fact that you should know about building a business is that there are plans to go global, okay? But they're going to take this a little bit at a time. I've never seen such good organization in a company in my life. I've been on a podcast with the CEO who's based out of Utah, Jorge Reyes. He's very fluent in English and Spanish. So when he gets the formulator, Dr. Rodriguez, on the line, Dr. Rodriguez, I'm going to meet him in a few days down in Mexico. They're flying us in to tour the labs and everything. Dr. Rodriguez, in my opinion, speaks pretty good English, but he always has Dr. Reyes or Jorge Reyes to translate. So that being said, you can always call me also, and we have a team Telegram room, Nature Meds on Telegram. The phone 360-383-0265. Bye for now.